Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys my hot cocoa station and how I took it from looking sad and drab. I don't know what I was thinking when I came up with this right here, but I knew I was not happy with it. So I went ahead and wiped it clean, started fresh. I knew I wanted something bright. I knew I wanted something that looked more festive. And so that other setup was not working for me. So I thought I would share with you guys what I came up with and how I went ahead and came up with it. So I started off by wiping everything down, and then I took this tray. It's a white tray that I had from the Target dollar spot, and I got that a few months back. And originally I had this on my countertop, so I went ahead and moved that and it fit perfectly there. I also like that it was white, because that way it just broke up a little bit of the darkness surrounding the coffee maker. And I took these jars from the Dollar Tree and filled them up with marshmallows and Hershey Kisses, because what is a hot cocoa station without marshmallows and without Hershey Kisses? So then I added some peppermint sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree also. And then I just started to add a little bit of decor, a few accessories that I had gotten from the Target dollar spot. And this always turns out to be the most difficult part. You know, you end up changing things around until you get just the right look that you want. That little mug there I got from the Dollar Tree this year. I thought it was really cute. And then I just added another one that I had in my cabinet. And eventually to the red mug, I add peppermint candy canes. So I added a little bit of ribbon to that glass mason jar just to add a little bit of color to it. And then next to it, you'll see a little container of cinnamon. It's a little cinnamon shaker that I had bought at Ross, but you can find them at the Dollar Tree. They just don't have the top to them. And then I added little labels for the marshmallows and the Hershey Kisses. Now the only thing that you will not see, I know, on my hot cocoa station is actual hot cocoa, and that is because we do not usually use the powder. We usually do the bar of chocolate, and my husband does it on the stovetop. So everything else is just the accessories. So this was it completely finished. I added some paper straws. I added the little hazelnut wafers in that little canister there that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I added some extra candy canes because I like the peppermint sticks, and then I also like the candy canes. So I added all of that to it. And remember that you can do your own variation of this. You can add things to it, you can take things away, do it however you want for your family. It's for you and your family to enjoy. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing, because I would love to have you here. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.